It's so good. Welcome back to East West Picayune. This video is a video that I had made, the very first video that I had made for this YouTube channel, but I'd never get to publish it. But anyhow, this week I decided I'm gonna publish it. And I understand one of the main ingredients may not be easily accessible to everybody, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a list of ingredients that you could replicate close enough to that particular ingredient that I have in this video. So let's get started. Okay, so tonight I'm going to show you how to make barbecue shrimp using the easy way, cheating barbecue shrimp seasoning. Okay, instead of trying to measure all these different ingredients, I find like just buying one bottle of this is a lot easier. And to all my relatives in the Philippines, that you got this as a pasalubong, or what we call gift. When you, was it a gift? I'm not even sure how to call it, but we call it pasalubong. So this is how you make it. There's directions here on the back, but I don't really follow this. If you want, you can follow this, but I don't. I cut most of the ingredients in half, and this is salt-free, so try it. All right, so now here we have the following ingredients. I have about 2 pounds of shrimp. This is about 10 to 12 count per pound. And then I have about 2.5 tablespoons of this salt-free seasoning. And then I have 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And then I have a half a cup of olive oil. Ingredients for my homemade barbecue shrimp seasonings are 5 to 6 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a tablespoon of creole seasoning, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 bay leaf crushed finely, 2 stalks of green onion sliced, juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of onion, and half a teaspoon of red crushed pepper, which is optional, combined together. Okay, with a shallow dish like that. So your shrimp is all clean, dry, and I just put them in there. Put your barbecue seasoning in, your Worcestershire sauce. It's very easy. This is and then your olive oil. Now this shrimp are bought in a supermarket that doesn't put the shrimp in a bath of water. You know, here in the US, when you buy shrimp, they put the shrimp in ice water. So most of the shrimp, when you buy it, when you cook it, there's a lot of water that comes out of the shrimp. But this one was bought where the shrimp was just sitting on ice and there's no water. So this is a pretty dry dish when it comes out. So what I usually like to do is I'll probably add a little, I don't know, probably a 4th cup of water, and I just kind of add it because I like to have a little sauce and dip your French bread in. Let's stir this up. Okay, this is so easy. You don't even have to peel the shrimp. All right, and then let the people eating the shrimp peel their shrimp. This is how easy it is. And then we're gonna stick it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes, or just about when the shrimp turns pink. Probably less than 20 minutes. There he goes. All right, so now let's see. So it's nice and pink. This actually took about 30 minutes because you got big shrimp. So the smaller your shrimp, the faster it cooks. So that looks pretty good, nice and pink. Okay, so the table is set. We're gonna have barbecue shrimp and some salad with spinach and avocado and a baguette. That's and usually you eat your barbecue shrimp, you dip the baguette or French bread into the sauce of the barbecue shrimp. Bon appetit! So people in the Philippines, this is how you eat barbecue shrimp, okay? So basically you take your brioche bread or French bread or baguette, you dunk it in the sauce like this, okay? It's good. Just the right seasoning, not using the whole recipe. And you all know how to eat the shrimp, right? You peel the shrimp. So good. Yes, I'm double dipping. This is how you eat them. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you like more food, fun, travel, and many matters, subscribe to East West Picayune. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like this recipe, or is there any other recipe that you use to make your barbecue shrimp. Hit the bell button up there so you can be notified of any future video that I publish. Until then, bye! I could cut it. So is my head okay? I'm not breaking.